As a business owner, having a monthly budget helps you to track your financial decisions and take control of your money. Documenting your income, expenses, and savings in an Excel spreadsheet is one of the best ways for budgeting. By breaking down your expenses, you will gain more insights where your money goes monthly. This will also help you to allocate specific amounts of income to each expense category, and it's going to help you to stay within your means and avoiding overspending. By saving a portion of your income monthly, you are building a strong financial foundation for yourself. And using Excel spreadsheets provides you with the tools to monitor your income, expense, and savings over time. By regularly updating your budget, you have a clear picture of where you stand and how far you've come. And if you want to stick to your monthly budget, do not be afraid to make adjustments. Your budget is yours alone, and you can adjust your income and expenses and your savings